Here's the remote control detector circuit for Project 6 of Fun with Electronics. Got it built right here. A big fancy buzzer this time. And the T-stop wire detector's right there. I used a 10K to limit the current going to the LED and just a 1K to limit the current going to the buzzer. So, if you press the button on the remote, you can see the light flashes like that. And the buzzer sounds. And it's very immediate and very cool. Also, if you look on the oscilloscope, you can see what's being transmitted. Let me see if I can get it stopped at a certain point so we can look at it closer. Okay, so the LED blinking that we were seeing before, when the LED is on, I think it's this part here, and when it's off, I think it's this part here. Because the time between those pulses is too short for us to see, I think. Because that's like, let's measure one. Yeah, that's 7.8 milliseconds, so pretty short. So my guess is what's happening is it's using these pulses to kind of tell the TV or whatever else you're controlling when the signal starts and stops. And it'll start its transmission here and into here. And in that way, kind of tell the device what it wants, whether that's power on or volume up or channel up. You know, and it's just encoded in this string of what is basically binary. If we zoom in, you can see that this is probably the length of a single pulse, that 7.9 milliseconds. Let me measure that again. Yeah, so, oh, hang on, no, not 7.9. 500 microseconds. 500 microseconds. That was. I was looking at the time up here. I'm not sure what that is, but anyway, you can see that probably the width of a single 1 or 0 is going to be 500 nanoseconds. I mean, not nanoseconds, microseconds. So you could come and decode this whole transmission if you took the time to, you know, divide it into the individual bits and translate them. So it's really cool to see how exactly it transmits. What's also cool is that the sensor doesn't have a way to filter out two remotes. So if you press the button on one, then press the button on the other, you get them both at the same time, which is really cool. And you have 3 remotes, you get 3 transmissions all at once. Crazy. I'm trying to test how far away I can get with this remote before it stops working. I am leaving the lab. It's still working. I guess as long as you've got it, oh, there it goes. As long as you got a clear shot, you can go pretty much as far as you want. Okay, about back here, it starts to lose it. That's still pretty far. Can't really go through walls, though. Guess that makes sense. Neat.